In this video, I'm going to share with you guys one habit that I've been able to develop that has saved me time, that has saved me money, and has saved me calories as a real estate agent. What is going on, guys? My name is Chris Elliott, team leader over at the Elliott Real Estate Team based out of Glen Allen, Virginia. In this video today, we're going to be talking about meal prepping. And you might say, what in the world does this have to do with real estate sales? Or you may say, hey, I've heard this before, but hear me out. So I used to be the guy that would leave the office every day to go to lunch, would waste enormous amounts of time, money, and make relatively poor health decisions, food decisions, going out, eating whatever I felt like during the day. So what I've done is I've kind of eliminated all lunches outside of the office, and I strictly do a meal prep. It saved me a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of wasted calories. So why do we want to do this? Number one, time is our most valuable asset. So if you are leaving the office where you can be getting work done, you can be in your optimal state, you can be making phone calls, do whatever, and you've got to run out and grab lunch, yeah, you might think it only is 15 minutes, but it's, 5 to 10 minutes to drive, 5 to 10 minutes to stand in line, 5 to 10 minutes to get back to the office. And there you've already wasted, 20, 30 minutes. God forbid you're going to lunch with other real estate agents. You're wasting even more time because now you're spending time with people that are not going to be buying any homes from you. The only exception to this, obviously, if you're going out with a client. Also, too, you got to think about your average meal at a lunch spot is probably in the neighborhood of $10 to $12. I probably spend $3 to $4 on my prepared lunch that I bring from home. And then last but not least, I would venture to guess you're not making as good a health decisions if you're just buying whatever on a whim or whatever you feel like that day, as opposed to having a set diet. So how do we actually implement this? Very simple. This is what I do every single Sunday afternoon, rain or shine, is I buy a simple packet of boneless chicken thighs. I don't even know how much it costs because my wife picks it up. They usually come in about a 6-pack, and then I just buy, a ton of vegetables. You get 2 cookie sheets, you throw them all in the cookie sheets, you hit them with olive oil, salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic if you like garlic. Throw them in the oven, 350 for 45 minutes. They are completely done, and then all you got to do is put them in Tupperware. Voila, you can bring those into the office, and in 60 seconds in the microwave, you've got yourself a delicious, cheap, and healthy meal where you can save yourself and get in nice summer shape. So I hope that benefited you. If you have any questions, comments, throw them down below, shoot me a DM. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week.